Good morning to all of you. This is Maggie Raj here, and now I am going to get discuss with some activities which related to the electromagnetic induction. So let me discuss here. This is first activity based on EMI. Okay, so this is a coil which attached from a galvanometer G. Okay, and here carrying any magnetic बार मैग्नेट और मैग्नेटिक पोल टुवर्ड्स दिस कॉइल. तो अभी हमने डिस्कस किया कि जब भी कोई मैग्नेटिक पोल किसी कॉइल की तरफ लेकर आते हैं तो जब उस कॉइल की ओर लेके आएंगे तो उसमें करंट का फ्लो कैसा होगा, उसी पोल की तरह होगा. तो देखिए एन पोल को हम इसके पास ला रहे हैं तो एन पोल की तरह करंट का फ्लो होगा, तो ऐसे करंट का फ्लो होगा. ओके, तो देखिएगा ये इस तरीके से है. ये मीन्स यहाँ पर डिफ्लेक्शन शो करेगा गैल्वेनोमीटर में. तो अब कैसे होगा, ओके, इसके बारे में डिस्कस करते हैं. सो whenever in this case here a coil which attached through the galvanometer, and whenever any bar magnet or magnetic pole carrying towards the coil, then current will flow the same like the magnetic pole. Here N pole carrying towards the coil, then current will flow according to N. Or if we carrying S pole towards the coil, then current will flow according to the S. Okay, so in the same process, whenever this magnetic pole carrying towards the coil, then some current induced in the coil, and here shows some deflection in the galvanometer, and this is maintained up to which this magnetic pole is motion. And if it is at rest, then there will no any deflection in the galvanometer. Okay, यानी जब तक ये बार मैग्नेट और मैग्नेटिक पोल इसकी तरफ ला रहे हैं और मोशन में रहे तब तक गैल्वेनोमीटर डिफ्लेक्शन शो करेगा. ओके, सो गैल्वेनोमीटर शोज द डिफ्लेक्शन which shows the flow of current or induced current in the coil until this bar magnet or magnetic pole is in the motion, and if it is at rest, then the deflection becomes zero in the galvanometer. In the same process, if we carry away this magnetic pole, then the current direction or galvanometer shows opposite deflection as before. Okay, galvanometer shows opposite deflection as before until this magnetic pole become in the motion. If it become at rest, then galvanometer shows zero deflection. So simply we can say that whenever any magnetic pole carrying towards the coil which attached to the galvanometer, then galvanometer shows deflection up to which this bar magnet is in the motion. If it is at rest, then the deflection in the galvanometer becomes zero. And on the other side, if we carry away this magnetic pole from the coil, then the deflection shows in the galvanometer in opposite direction as before. Okay, so this is the activity first. Now let me discuss the second activity. Here we also attached, this is a C1 coil, and here another coil which attached to the battery. Okay, so this coil also works as a solenoid or as a bar magnet. Okay, so whenever it carrying towards this C2 coil, then here some magnetic field lines which are passing like this. These are the magnetic field lines. Due to this, whenever this coil placed beside this and also attached to the battery, then here in this coil also shows the some induced current, and this galvanometer shows some deflection. And if this coil carrying away from this C1, then it shows the opposite deflection. It shows the opposite direction deflection in the galvanometer. Simply this coil which attached through the battery, it works as a solenoid or simply it works as a magnet. क्योंकि आप जानते हैं कि सोलेनॉइड के अंदर भी कोई आयरन पार्टिकल रख करके उनको मैग्नेट बनाने की भी प्रोसेस थी, तो ये वर्क करेगा एज ए मैग्नेटिक पोल, ठीक है ना। तो जब C2 coil which attached through a battery and here produce some current, then due to this here magnetic field line passes inside the coil C1 whenever this C2 carrying towards the C1. So galvanometer shows some deflection, and whenever this coil C2 carrying away from this C1, then the galvanometer shows in opposite direction deflection. Okay, and if in the next case if this attached from any switch, this is the third case, whenever coil second which attached to the battery also attached a switch, so as well as this switch pressed, then here shows some deflection in the coil C1, and if we maintain the continuous press this switch, then there will no shows any deflection. अगर हम इस स्विच को प्रेस करते हैं, तो जैसे ही प्रेस करते हैं as well as we press this switch, then here shows some deflection in the galvanometer. And if we maintain the continue of the pressing of this switch, अगर हम इस स्विच को कंटिन्यू प्रेस करे रहें, तो फिर इसके बाद इसमें कोई डिफ्लेक्शन नहीं शो करेगा. The same process as well as we remove to pressing this switch, यानी जैसे ही हम इस स्विच को ऑफ कर दिया, यानी प्रेस करना बंद कर दिया, तब फिर at that moment, at that instant, the some deflection shows in the galvanometer, and if we continue depress इस मतलब कहने का इसको हम स्विच को ऑफ रखें, तो यहाँ पर कोई डिफ्लेक्शन शो नहीं करेगा. सिंपली ये रीजन निकला कि जैसे हम स्विच ऑन करते हैं, तो यहाँ पर एट दैट मोमेंट, उसी क्षण यहाँ पर डिफ्लेक्शन शो करेगा, और इसके बाद इसको कंटिन्यू ऑन रखें, प्रेस करके रखें, दबा के रखें, तो इसमें कोई डिफ्लेक्शन फिर नहीं आने वाला. यानी एट दैट मोमेंट जैसे ही मैंने ऑन किया तब यहाँ डिफ्लेक्शन आएगा, और जैसे ही हम ऑफ करेंगे उस स्टैंड यहाँ पर डिफ्लेक्शन आएगा, और फिर ऑफ रहेगा तो इसमें कोई डिफ्लेक्शन नहीं आएगा. सो सेम ध्यान रखिएगा. एज वेल एज दिस स्विच प्रेस्ड, then here shows some deflection in the galvanometer which attached to the coil C1 at that instant, and after that if the switch continue pressed, then here not available any type of deflection. On the same process, if this switch is off, then at that instant here shows some deflection at the moment of whenever this switch is off, and after that here not available any type of deflection. So there are three types of activity which related to the electromagnetic induction.